This is a real big day for me. It's been 3 years since I've gotten my Mustang running, and here's my new Terminator X. I finally broke down and bought it. $870. I also get the warranty for 3 years at $109. So I have a warranty, so this doesn't happen to me again. And I'm showing you this so you don't make the mistakes I made. I'm the one that fried these. Let's see, I have there's one from several years ago, maybe my first one. I think this is I had a version 3. I fried this one. And if you hear this car running, I'm going to show you what I did wrong on that so you don't do it. And if you're seeing this video right now, stay tuned, because the 88's coming back to life after 3 years. It's got the brand new Trick Flow heads on there with comp roller rockers, Trick Flow push rods, upgraded lifters, and so on. So 30-pound injectors. So I'm excited, I'm nervous. Let's make it start up. Got the battery hooked up, and this is the part I was talking to you about earlier, about how I ruined one of my Terminator X's. The kit is made to hook up right to your battery. I tried to hook it up to my solenoid here early on and couldn't get I think they call it a tax signal. So you have to have it hooked up to your battery. This is the way, it's one of your first do's and don'ts in the manual. Okay, so that's how I did it. I had one of these off, I think I had both of them off. And I was surprised that the car even started. It started, but that was the last time. Then the fuel pump would not come back on. You got to have that 5-second prime fuel pump, which we're looking for right now. That's going to be one of our next steps. But my next step is I want to see that red light right there blinking. So I'm going to get a tripod and set that up and turn the key on and see what happens. Nothing's hooked up right now. It looks a mess in here. I had all these wires right the way I wanted them, and then that's when the ECU went out about 3 years ago. So let's see how I do here. Right now I'm looking for my MSD to light up there. I think it blinks 3 times. Let me know if it does. And also, this has not been cranked over for a long time, so I'm going to tap the key a couple of times. I'm almost certain it's going to crank. There should be no problem there. Okay, listen to this. The fuel pump primes for about 5 seconds and goes off just like I was wanting. I think the car will start right now. Okay, here it goes. I'm kind of nervous. This is the first time I've turned it on since I think I've got everything hooked up, and I think the car is going to start. we have to load the software. So let's see what happens. I want to see a wizard pop up here. Okay, it's looking really, really good. Flash update, okay. Very happy here. Now we should be able to have a wizard. I think I'm going to get this car started. This is all powered up, looking nice. Okay, let's see what it says here. If I take this away, I'm reading it, so. Check SD for update. FD completed. Remove SD reboot device. That just me, okay. Remove the SD. SD is right here. And reboot the. Please run the wizard or load the calibration. This is looking really, really good now. Okay, so they said reboot. So we'll turn it off. Please run the wizard or load a calibration. Okay, let's run the wizard. Say okay. Perform a TPS auto reset. Okay, I know how to do that. Very easy. You'll have to do that a lot if you get this. Okay, this is looking really good. Now, do you see that wizard there? This is your first calibration. GCF wizard. This is a global file, global configuration file. I love seeing this error. Ensure the SD card is inserted. Okay. Let's put that back in here. Okay. Looking really, really good. Love seeing this. Okay, we have MPFI. That's throttle body injection. I don't have that. I don't have direct injection. I love seeing this. Okay, let's see here. Okay. You know which one to pick here. Just move this down a little bit, and 79 through 93, 5.0 is at the bottom. So we're going to hit next there. 8 cylinders, of course. Next. Now I'm into a problem. There it is. 13726548. That is beautiful. I think we're going to get it running. Hit next there. And you just select, see, cubic inches, 302, or do a 5.0. Target idle speed, about 910. I don't know how good you can see this. Camshaft specs, we're going to leave that number 1. Okay, I have a mission type. Go down here at the bottom. I have an MSD. CD box. That might be it. Okay, this time I hope to hear the fuel pump come on for about 5 seconds and then shut off. It's barely running. This is the first start.